Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement transmission control module in a Holden RG Colorado. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the TCM tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module, or will show the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. Once it's loaded in, we'll see along the top that we'll have the flashing and learn functions tabs available. We're going to first go to the flashing tab. We're going to make sure we have a battery maintainer fitted to the vehicle, and once we do, we'll click the right button. We'll then get a pop-up indicating that it is going to put a factory tune onto this transmission control module. What this means is if you have a custom tune, it will wipe that and put the factory tune onto it. So please be aware before you proceed. Once ready, click OK, and this will then begin downloading the required files for that transmission control module to suit that vehicle. This process does take roughly 45 seconds for a calibration only write, which is what this is this time. If it has to update the operating system as well, it can take several minutes, which is why it's very important to have a battery maintainer fitted. I have fast forwarded this section just so we're not waiting for the full time, but typically around 45 seconds through to a few minutes, depending on if that operating system is required. Once it's completed, we'll see that it will indicate it's doing the finalization flash routine, and then finally it will indicate that it's completed successfully. We're going to go ahead and press OK, then head over to Learn Functions and then press Go. This is then going to perform the VIN security link, which only takes a few seconds, and that's it now done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.